Hey everybody, this is Vinny with Excel Distance Calculators.com, home of some of the most useful Excel tools out there. This week, I've got a very special tool for you, a tool that will allow you, it's mostly used by truck drivers and logistics companies, to calculate state miles for IFTA reporting. So what the tool will do is allow you to calculate the distance by miles, the driven distance by miles for a trip or for a list of trips. So again, kind of going back every quarter, a lot of you out there, you have to report IFTA mileage and file your IFTA reports. And in order to do that, a lot of you have the electronic devices in your trucks, but if you do not have that, then this tool, the driving distance by state tool, will be an excellent tool that will allow you to help you to file your IFTA filings for the quarter. So without further ado, let me kind of tell you what it does. First of all, a little bit of a disclaimer: as all of my tools, it's built in Excel 100%. As such, there is nothing to install. All you need is Excel in your computer, desktop version of Excel, and the tool will do the rest. The tool also uses Google Maps API, so you'll need a Google Maps API key. I do have a video in here on how to that will walk you on how to get that API key. It takes 5 minutes, it's free of charge to get, and will allow you to run this file, run this tool, and be able to get the data that you need for your IFTA filing. So without further ado, let me kind of show you how it works. Once you've downloaded the tool, there should be a download link in the description of this video. You will enter your trips for the quarter. As you can see here, we have a combination of zip codes, cities, or full addresses. Obviously, the more detailed the address, such as a full address in this case, the better the better the results of the tool will be. But again, because it uses Google Maps API, it will allow you to use zip code only or just the city. Once you've done that, all I got to do is click on the conveniently located calculate button. And what the tool will do is will calculate the driving distance, driving time, and also will break that down by state. Once this is completed, I'll kind of show you in here. You can click on any of those trips. And if I click on these trips, for example, which will be from Utah to North Carolina, this is the broken down distance by state. Obviously, you need to do this for all of your trips. Because to be able to file your IFTA, the way you do that is you click on the summary button, and the tool will give you those miles that you drove for each quarter, for each state for that quarter. So in this case, these are the states and these are the miles that were driven to complete these trips. And really, it should be as simple as that. Feel free to take a look at the reviews that we have. We've got over 120 reviews in Google there, and feel free to go through those reviews and see what a lot of our customers say about my tools. Again, my goal is to bring you tools that can be as easy as 1, 2, 3, so 3 steps or less, and just be able to run them in no time. Every week I get emails from you guys telling us about how these tools have helped you make your life a little bit easier, make it easier for you to run your business and be more efficient, and just make your life just a little bit overall easier. Thank you very much for watching this. If you've got any questions, one more little surprise for you is that I do answer the phone. My goal is to provide you not only easy tools to use, but also a white glove customer service. Feel free to give me a call. Here's my phone number. Here's my email. Give me a call. I actually do answer the phone, and would love to hear from you with any questions that you might have, or any concerns or anything that I might clarify for you. Thanks again for watching this. Until next time.